Annyeonghaseyo! Today I will show you how to upgrade your instant ramyun noodles. We will need 1 pack of Ramyun instant noodles, pepper, sesame oil, and eggs, a few pieces of crab balls, frozen mixed vegetables, luncheon meat and crab sticks cut into small cubes. Boil around 5 to 6 cups of water in your pan, and then add your crab balls. After around 2 minutes, add in your crab balls. Then add your luncheon meat right away. Boil for a minute and add your frozen mixed vegetables, followed by the noodles. I used 2 packs of ramyun noodles kasi may makikikain. Let it boil for around 3 to 4 minutes, but don't forget to stir your noodles from time to time. By this time, your noodles should be al dente. Now you can add the powder which is included in your ramyun pack. I'm pretty sure by this time you're already hungry and craving for ramyun. Who is a K-drama addict here? Please comment down below your favorite K-drama. Now add about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and pepper. Slowly drop your eggs in your ramyun. Make sure not to break it at this time. For ramyun, I would suggest not to break your egg at this time. It is nice to eat your ramyun with a soft yolk that will blend in your soup. So everything is cooked at this moment except for the egg. Cook the egg for about just a minute or 2. So there it is. You now have an upgraded version of instant ramen. Not because it is instant, you won't put a little effort na to eat a delicious noodle soup, diba? See the runny yolk? Super yummy! Enjoy your instant ramen, especially now that the weather is getting colder. I hope you like this recipe, and if you do, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload a new video. Always remember, just cook it. Until my next video, ta-ta!